Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. A while back, I made a video on 3 ways to make this shape. Thought of another way, and I thought of one of those 3 ways to make it better. I said in that video that you could use math. We're going to get a 3-sided polygon, which is a triangle, and we're going to get a 2-point line and go down to where it says node and then snap to that corner. And then go to that node and snap to that corner. Now, we can take the parallel dimension tool as long as you're careful and go from that center outwardly, and we have 2.87 inches. So you could get out a calculator, but you could go right here and go I can't remember what it was. I'm bad about that. 2.87. So you could get out a calculator, you go 2.87 times 2, and you get that 5.74. Now, if we take this and snap it to that center, you shouldn't have any leaks. So we're going to get the virtual segment delete key. I'm going to go and delete that. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete that, and you've got that shape. So this is part 2 of that same series, but there's still another way. I thought about it. I was actually watching that video. So a 3-sided polygon, a lot less work. Get your 3-point curve line and go from that node, of course, that node, then hold down your control button and it should snap to that bottom. And then you have that same shape. Makes life really easy doing it that way. Anyway, so if you didn't watch part 1, it's the same name, but part 1 now. This will be part 2. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.